Top 10 cities Americans are leaving in 2026. More Americans are moving than ever before, but where are they leaving from in 2026? Today, we're counting down the top 10 cities Americans are leaving in 2026. And the real reasons why residents are choosing to move away. From rising costs to worsening traffic and lack of opportunity, these cities are seeing population declines that are hard to ignore. Number 10. Chicago, Illinois. Starting our list at number 10 is Chicago, once a thriving cultural and economic hub. While it still has iconic food, music, and sports, many residents are leaving due to high crime rates and heavy taxes. Property taxes here are among the highest in the nation, pushing people to seek more affordable living elsewhere. Reason: high taxes plus safety concerns. High property taxes compared to many other Midwest cities, ongoing concerns about violent crime in certain neighborhoods, harsh winters that push retirees and remote workers south, financial pressure from city and state budget issues. What's happening? Many middle-class families are relocating to nearby states like Indiana and Wisconsin for lower taxes and more affordable housing. Number 9. San Francisco, California. San Francisco ranks number 9. The tech boom made it famous, but also extremely expensive. Skyrocketing housing costs, long commutes, and a high cost of living have driven workers out, especially remote employees who no longer need to live near tech headquarters. Reason: extreme housing costs plus high living expenses. Among the highest rent prices in the U.S. expensive everyday costs: groceries, gas, utilities, office vacancies due to remote work, public safety and homelessness concerns. What's happening? Tech workers are moving to cheaper cities like Austin, Denver, or even out of state while keeping high-paying remote jobs. Number 8. New York City, New York. Number 8 is the city that never sleeps, New York City. Even NYC isn't immune to the trend. Residents are leaving due to crushing rent prices, crowded transit, and a desire for more space in the suburbs or smaller cities. Reason: high rent plus crowding. Extremely high rent and housing costs, crowded living conditions, high state and city income taxes, expensive childcare and lifestyle costs. What's happening? Families are relocating to Florida, Texas, and the Carolinas for bigger homes and lower taxes. Number 7. Los Angeles. At number 7 is Los Angeles. LA may be glamorous, but many are trading in traffic jams and high prices for calmer cities. Long commutes and expensive housing markets have caused people to relocate inland or out of state. Reason: traffic plus expensive housing. Severe traffic congestion, sky-high housing prices, wildfire risks and rising insurance costs, high state income taxes. What's happening? Residents are moving to Nevada, Arizona, and Texas for lower housing costs and fewer natural disaster risks. Number 6. Detroit. Detroit comes in at number 6. Although revitalization efforts continue, a declining job market and economic stagnation have made it difficult for people to stay, especially younger workers seeking stable careers. Reason: job market struggles. Long-term population decline, limited job diversity outside the auto industry, infrastructure challenges in certain neighborhoods, lower wage growth compared to national averages. What's happening? Young professionals often relocate to faster-growing cities with stronger tech and healthcare sectors. Number 5. Memphis. At number 5 is Memphis. Known for music history, it's also facing high crime rates and limited job growth compared to nearby cities. That combination has pushed many residents to look elsewhere for safety and opportunity. Reason: safety concerns plus slow economic growth. High crime rates compared to national averages, lower median household income, limited high-paying job opportunities, slow economic growth in some sectors. What's happening? Some residents move to Nashville or other southeastern cities with stronger job markets. Number 4. Philadelphia. Number 4 is Philadelphia. With older infrastructure, rising property taxes, and a slow-moving economy, Philly has seen residents shift toward cheaper nearby cities and suburbs. Reason: costly taxes plus aging infrastructure. Rising property taxes, aging infrastructure, public safety concerns in some areas, competition from nearby lower-cost suburbs. What's happening? Families often relocate to surrounding Pennsylvania suburbs or neighboring states for more space and lower costs. Number 3. Seattle. At number 3, we have Seattle. Tech giants made this city boom, but also made it unaffordable for many long-term residents. Rising rent, traffic issues, and high utility costs have dampened life quality for many locals. Reason: cost of living spike. Rapid increase in housing prices, expensive utilities and everyday costs, traffic congestion, cloudy weather, quality of life factor. What's happening? Many tech workers are moving to states like Idaho or Texas for cheaper housing while keeping remote jobs. Number 2. Texas. Number 2 is Texas. One of the fastest growing cities in the US. Ironically, its own success is part of the problem. Exploding popularity has driven up housing prices and rent, pricing out earlier residents who are moving to nearby smaller towns to escape the cost. Reason: growth equals rising prices. Rapid population growth causing housing shortages, rising rent and home prices, increased traffic congestion, higher property taxes compared to other Texas cities. What's happening? Longtime residents are relocating to smaller Texas cities like San Antonio or suburban communities. And number 1. Miami, Florida. And coming in at number 1. Miami. This vibrant city is losing residents faster than almost anywhere else in America. The reasons? Soaring housing costs, severe climate risks like flooding, and competition from more affordable cities nearby. Reason: cost plus climate concerns. Exploding housing and rent prices, rising insurance costs due to hurricanes and flooding, climate change and sea level concerns, expensive lifestyle and tourism-driven inflation. What's happening? Residents are moving further inland in Florida or to other southeastern states for more affordable and stable living. There you have it. The top 10 cities Americans are leaving in 2026 and the reasons driving them away. Are you surprised by any of these? Comment below with your city or where you'd move next. If you love city rankings and lifestyle guides, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.